Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new chapter in your reader book, that is the last bargain. Look, what do you understand by the meaning of this word bargain? What is bargain? Yes? Stand up. Purvi, stand up. Have you ever heard this word bargain? What is the meaning of bargain? Let her speak. हाँ, जैसे मम्मा शॉपिंग पे जाती है, पैसे कम करवाती है, वो ज्यादा बोलता है, फिर मम्मा पैसे कम कराती है, अपने अकॉर्डिंग करवाती है. ठीक है, सिट डाउन. The last bargain. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. It is a process in which both parties means दो parties होती है, उनके बीच में तो bargaining होगी ना. They promise to do something for each other. वो एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ करने का promise करते हैं. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. In this poem, there is a person who is looking for work. वो एक वर्क की तलाश में है. Waiting to be hired, और वो चाहता है कि मुझे कोई हायर कर ले. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. उसको बहुत सारे ऑफर्स मिलते हैं, but they all are worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. वो उसे दूसरा ऑफर भी मिलता है, but he didn't like it. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing, whatever he is happy. At last, what happens? He is hired for nothing. उसको कुछ भी पे नहीं किया जाता, और फिर भी वो क्या है? He is happy. He is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why it is the best? चैप्टर का नेम है द लास्ट बार्गेन. जो लास्ट वाला है वो उसको उसके लिए पे नहीं करते हैं, फिर भी वो क्या है? हैप्पी है. तो हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे कि ऐसा क्या है उसमें. स्टैंड अप. रीड दिस. रीड अलाउड.
Come and hire me. I tried well in the morning. I was working on
Read this word again. While. हाँ.
in the morning. I was working on the stone paved and road.
Paved road. Stop. Come and hire me. Come and hire me. जो poet है in this poem he is saying come and hire me. मुझे work दो. While in the morning. At what time? In the morning time. I was walking on the stone paved road. In the morning, at that time when he was looking for a job, he was walking on the stone paved road. Means the road is made up of stone. ठीक है? तो वहां पे वो क्या कर रहा था? जा रहा था, and he was searching job. Next. Sit.
Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power.
हाँ, sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. A king came in his chariot मतलब होता है रथ में आया. कौन आया? A king came. And what was he having in his hand? Sword. तलवार होती है ना, वो उसके हाथ में थी. What he was saying? He held my hand. Means the king held that person. Poet जो है उसका है hand पकड़ के क्या बोलता है? And said, I will hire you with my power. I have power. King है तो power होगी, तो I will hire you with my power. मैं power से तुम्हें क्या करूंगा? Hire करूंगा. तो जो तुम्हारी services है उन्हें मैं लूंगा with my power. Next. Sit. You.
In the heat of the mine day, the house stood with shut doors, I wandered along the hooked along. An old man come out with
Where are you reading? Have you read this? But this? No, first read this.
but his power
Counted.
counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot.
But his power counted for naught. Means जो उसकी power थी, it is worthless for the poet. जो poet है उसके लिए किसी काम की नहीं थी. मतलब वो सिर्फ कोई value ही नहीं दे रहा था power को. And he went away in his chariot. उसने वो offer मना कर दिया और the king went away on his chariot. Understood this para?
Yes.
Understood now? Where was the poet walking? I will ask one by one. Yes, beta, stand up. Can't you say this sentence in English? Everything is written on board. He was walking on the stone paved road. At what time he was walking on the stone paved road? At what time? Stand up.
In the morning.
In the morning. Sit down. Who came first to the poet? Rohitansh. Who came first to the poet? कौन आया था पहले? Who gave him offer first? चैरियट होता है रथ. Who gave the poet offer first? Stand up. King, sit down. Why did poet refuse the offer of king? Why did the poet refuse the offer of king? Yes, beta, stand up. Why did the poet refuse the offer of king? रिफ्यूज होता है मना करना. किंग के ऑफर को क्यों मना कर दिया पॉइंट ने? यस, स्टैंड अप. ट्राई टू गिव. Why did poet refuse the offer of king?
Because his power counted for naught.
Counted for naught means the offer which was given to the poet by the king, it was worthless. किसी काम का नहीं था. That's why he refused. Sit down. Sit down. You all are not paying attention. If you have paid, you must have given all the answers. Next. Read. Second stanza.
In the heat of the midday, the house stood with
What? Read patiently.
In the heat of the
Heat.
in the heat of the midday,
Midday.
the houses stood
Stood.
with shut door.
With shut doors. This also.
I wandered along
Wandered.
crooked lane.
Crooked lane. Sit down. In the heat of the midday. अंडरस्टूड? नून मीन्स दोपहर का टाइम. एट द हीट ऑफ द मिड डे द हाउसेज स्टूड विद शट डोर्स. एट नून ऑल द हाउसेज वर शट. मीन्स सारे दरवाजे बंद थे. क्यों? बिकॉज देयर इज टू मच हीट. I wandered along the crooked lane. Wandered होता है roam. Roam, you know what is the meaning of roam? Moving here and there. यहाँ वहाँ घूमना. I wandered roam along the crooked होता है winding street. जो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी गलियां होती है ना उसके लिए. लेन मीन्स स्ट्रीट. लेन मीन्स क्या होता है? स्ट्रीट. नैरो स्ट्रीट. जो वाइंडिंग नैरो स्ट्रीट है वहां पे वो कौन? द पोएट वॉज रोमिंग. इधर उधर घूम रहा था. वाई ही वॉज रोमिंग? इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब. ओके. हाँ, स्टैंड अप. रीड अलाउड बेटा.
An old man came out with his bag of gold. He folded and said, I will hire you with my money. He waited his coins one by one, but
Wait. An old man came out with his bag of gold. An old man was having bag of gold and he offered to the poet. What he was offering? He pondered and said. Pondered होता है deep thinking, thought deeply. The old man thought deeply and said to the poet, what did he say? I will hire you with my money. He was having money in his bag. He was having gold in his bag. So he said to the poet that I will hire you for your services and I will give you money in return. आप मुझे अपनी सर्विसेज दोगे and I will give you money in return. Yes, next. Read this first, beta. He wait.
he raised his coins one by one, but I turned away.
In this line, the poet is saying the old man started counting his coins. वो अपने सिक्के गिनने लगा. But the poet moved away. वो वहां से चला गया. Why? Because the money is worthless for him. First में क्या था? First stanza में the king was offering him power. He wants his services in return of power. Here the old man wanted his services and he will give him what? Money. Understood? Till here? Sit down. Yes, stand up. Wait. At what time did the poet meet with old man? At what time did the poet meet with an old man? कब मिला था वो? पॉइंट है ना, कब मिला था ओल्ड मैन से? किंग से तो मॉर्निंग में मिला था, फिर ओल्ड मैन से कब मिला था?
Midday.
Midday means at noon. Sit down. What did the old man give? Means offer. What did the old man offer to the poet? He offered money to the poet. Sit down. Next, start reading.
I was away.
It was
It was evening. The garden
hedge,
was all
a flower.
wrapped
Fair
made
came out.
and
Sit down, read it again, Gaurav.
It was evening. Garden hedge was all
A flower.
flower. The fair maid come out and said, I will
Hire you.
hire you with a smile.
Sit down. It was evening time. The garden hedge was all a flower. Means the full of flower. Hedges होता है fences of garden. जो दीवार fences मतलब होती है ना दीवार की जो garden की जो boundaries है. It is covered with flower. A fair maid. Fair maid means beautiful. Fair means fair means beautiful, maid means lady. A fair maid came out and said, the lady said to the poet, what did she say? I will hire you with my smile. She has nothing. She said to the poet that I will hire you with my smile only. Next.
What is my
Paled. Melted.
into the
Tears.
tears and she went back alone into the dark.
Her smile paled. उसकी smile फीकी पड़ गई and melted into tears and her smile changed into tears. Suddenly she started crying and she went back alone into the dark. और वो वहाँ कहाँ चली गई? Dark में चली गई. What do you think? Why did this happen? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why she suddenly started crying? I am just asking about your opinion कि ऐसा क्या हुआ होगा कि वो मतलब पहले स्माइल दे रही थी फिर अचानक से रोने लग गई. What would happen to her? Vedansh. Why did fair maid started crying suddenly? Start crying suddenly. I am asking about your opinion only. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो right ही हो. बस आप बताओ कि आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि वो रोने लगी? Did the poet say something to her? क्या poet ने उसे कुछ कहा था? क्या कहा था? Poet ने कहा था I will hire you. और poet wanted to be hired by someone. Poet चाहता है कि मुझे कोई hire करे. Sit down. देखो बेटा क्या हुआ होगा. She offered to the poet. Then she thought कि क्या मैं अपनी स्माइल से कुछ किसी की सर्विसेज ले सकती हूँ. She became disappointed. वो खुद ही क्या हो गई? Disappoint हो गई and she went away और वहां से चली गई. पॉइंट ने उसे कुछ नहीं कहा, वो खुद ही क्या हो गई, डिसअपॉइंट हो गई कि क्या मैं अपनी स्माइल से किसी की सर्विसेज, किसी का मतलब कुछ परचेज कर सकती हूँ। तो उसको खुद को फील हुआ एंड शी वेंट अवे, वो वहां से चली गई। अंडरस्टूड दिस? कम टू लास्ट, नेक्स्ट। The sun glistened on the sand
and the sea waves broke waywardly.
waywardly.
A children sat.
A child, where children is written?
A child sat playing with the shell.
Sit. The sun glistened on the sand. जो सन की शाइन थी वो सैंड के ऊपर क्या कर रही थी, चमक रही थी। ग्लिस्टन मतलब चमकना। एंड द सी वेव्स ब्रोक वेवार्डली, जो सी वेव्स थी जो बैंक पर आकर किसमें चेंज हो जा रही थी, वाटर ड्रॉप में, पानी की बूंदों में बिखर रही थी। ऐसा होता है ना, वेव्स मिड से आती है और एकदम जब शीशोर पर आती है तो वो क्या हो जाती है, ड्रॉप्स में चेंज होती है, बिखर जाती है। A child sat playing with shells. There a child was sitting and he was playing with shells. Seeps होते हैं ना, have you ever seen seeps? देखा है आपने? Shells होते हैं, सीप होते हैं, shells होते हैं, उनको देखा है आपने? वो उससे खेल रहा था। Who was playing with shells? A child. Next. Your.
He raised his hand and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man.
Sit down. He raised his head and seemed to know me. Who raised his head? Child. उसने अपना सिर ऊपर उठाया। He was looking at the poet. और कैसा लग रहा था ऊपर जब वो उसकी तरफ देख रहा था? Seemed to know me. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो poet को पहले से जानता है। And said, who said? Child said, what? I hire you with nothing. मैं तुम्हें hire करता हूँ for nothing. I will give nothing in return and I am hiring you. मैं तुम्हें hire कर रहा हूँ and मैं कुछ भी नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें रिटर्न में। From henceforward, उस टाइम से that bargain struck, जो बार्गेनिंग थी वो वहां रुक गई। In child's play, बच्चे के खेल में, made me a free man and this made the poet a free man. और इस बार्गेनिंग ने जो पोइट है, कौन है पोइट यहाँ पे? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, उनको क्या बना दिया, एक फ्री मैन बना दिया। अंडरस्टूड? Understood this chapter?
Yes.
Now give me answers. Stand up. At what time did the poet meet with lady?
Evening.
In the evening time. What did the lady offer to the poet? The lady offered Why did lady's smile turn into tear? I am asking, why did her her smile change into tear? उसकी स्माइल टीयर में क्यों बदल गई थी? You have to give answer on your own. This answer is not given in your book. Try to give. I will help. Try to give. You can give answer in Hindi also. Priyanka, try to give. ये क्या रिप्लाई हुआ? Try to give. ओल्ड लेडी, पहले स्माइल ऑफर किया था ना उसने पॉइंट को, फिर वो सडनली रोने क्यों लग गई थी? अगर आपको हिंदी में आता है, यू गिव, आई विल ट्रांसलेट।
उसकी स्माइल, मतलब वो जो पॉइंट था ना, उसने उसकी स्माइल को ही हायर किया था।
Why are you laughing? बैठो, अभी बता रही. Sit. हाँ. Why did the lady disappoint? हाँ. Why? क्यों हो गई थी वो disappoint? Why did her smile change into tear?
Because she disappointed herself.
हाँ, she disappointed herself. Why? What made her disappoint?
Because she can't hire the man.
हाँ, she can't hire the man. Why? Because her smile is worthless for the man. Sit down. Sit down. Next. What was the child doing? No one will give answer. What was the child doing? Yes, next. Jia. What was the child doing?
Child was playing with shells.
The child was playing with shells. Sit down. Next. What did the child say to the poet? Can't you give this answer in English? Child said that I hired you. A line is there. I hire you with nothing. Means I will give nothing to you and I am hiring you. Sit down. Next. Where was the poet walking in the beginning? Means in the morning. Morning में where was he walking? You can give answer from your book. Stone paved. What was the king having in his hand? Sword. Sit down. Next. Why did the poet refuse the offer of king?
The poet refused the offer of king because his power was
Not useful for him. Sit down. I think you all have understood this chapter. Okay. Question answers we will do in our next class. Thank you so much.